So let's start with the definition of dual of a proposition. Okay, so what is dual of a given proposition? Okay, so the idea is the dual of a compound proposition that contains only the logical operators disjunction, conjunction, and negation is the proposition obtained by replacing each disjunction with conjunction, each conjunction with disjunction, each true value by false, and each false value by true value. So, and the notation for the dual is nothing but dual of the underlying proposition. Let's say the proposition is P, then we'll say dual of P, or we'll say P star. Okay, so now if we compare dual with Morgan's law, then as you can notice, these two, we can say these two notions are entirely different. For example, if we consider P and negation Q, and then if we try to apply the Morgan's law here by taking just negation, then we will get negation P or Q, right? So this is nothing but we have just applied negation of the given proposition, and then we applied the Morgan's law, and then we got this particular equivalent uh, proposition for the given proposition. And if we talk about the dual of the given proposition, then what we are going to do, we are simply going to replace junction with disjunction, as you can see here, right? The other propositional variables, right, whether it's P, whether it's Q, whether it is negation Q or negation P, they will remain as it is, right? So that means these two are not equivalent. If for the given compound proposition, if you are considering just taking negation of the given proposition and then apply the Morgan's law, and then whatever you are getting is not the dual of the given proposition. The dual, you can revisit this particular definition. The idea is replace each conjunction with disjunction, each disjunction with conjunction, and last thing is, let's say true values are given to you, then replace each true value with by false value, and replace each false value by true value. So that is the idea. So let's consider a few more examples. So let's say this particular compound proposition is given to you. Let's say the proposition is like this: P or F, the P or P disjunction F conjunction Q disjunction true. Then what we need to do, we need to replace this first disjunction with conjunction, then first conjunction with disjunction, and then last or second disjunction with conjunction. So these things we need to replace. Apart from that, we also need to replace this F by T and this T by F, right? So that is nothing but dual of this particular compound proposition. Similarly, if we consider this, then here we need to replace this two conjunction with two disjunctions like this, and this disjunction with conjunction, right? So just you need to remember this particular thing, right? So this two seems similar, but they are not.